Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be my weekly review for week 1 of May and also my transaction log. So let's get on into it. This is just going to be my 2 cash envelopes, and let's get into May and pull up my weekly review. As I'm doing that, if you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you are not new, welcome back. Let's take out both my weekly review and then also my transaction log, so I don't have to keep coming back in here for that. So, like I said, the first thing, we'll just put that up there. The first thing that we are going to focus on is going to be week 1. So week 1, it was between May 4th through the 10th. During that time, I did get paid, and I'm just going to go and write down everything I budgeted for this period. So for groceries, I budgeted $100, but then my boyfriend gave me 20, so I ended up with $120, because this is not what I originally budgeted. And then for gas, I budgeted $90, and then for personal, I budgeted $35, and then for household, I didn't budget anything. And the only two that I used during this time, I'm just getting out my red pen, this was my personal, and just to write it in here too, just so I can keep track of it. On the 9th, I did get my hair washed, and so now I'm at 0. So we're just gonna put that into here, and that's the same thing we're gonna write for personal on here. Spent 35, and I have 0 left. And then also on the 9th for gas, I also needed to put some gas in my car, and I just also need to write it on here. So for 5-9, I got HEB gas, and I spent $36, and whoops, that's crazy. Let's actually see how much money I have left. There's like 2 cents in here that I need to go ahead and put into my savings bin. And then I still have 20, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. So I still have $54 left. So that is my balance as of right now. And then we're also gonna go ahead and put that into on our weekly chart. So I spent 36, and I have $54 remaining. So that sums up my weekly review. And then we're gonna go ahead and get on into our, our transaction log. So we're going to start with me being paid, because I hadn't spent any money anytime before that. So I got paid on the 8th, which was my income, and I got paid 11112, and that is of course the balance. And then on that day, I also paid some bills. So I have 5-8. I paid Entergy, which was $61.11, which then left me at $10.50.89. And then I paid for Netflix, that also came out, and that is auto debited out of my account, and that was $14.06, and that left me at $10.36.83. And then I decided to pay a little bit of debt, because I wanted to go ahead and pay off my Discover card. And so that was $643. And $643. And then I wrote it wrong, you guys. And so oh well, I'll just keep filling in the numbers. I wrote it wrong. I have it on my piece of paper and I wrote it wrong to have the balances, but we'll be okay. So then also on 5/8, I did my cash envelopes and I took out 225, if that was correct. And then on the 8th, I also had a miscellaneous charge to my account, and that was for Chick-fil-A, which I need to do better on, because doing my transaction log, I've realized that I've been spending more money than I normally do, and I'm not sure why. And then also on the 10th, I got some breakfast. Once again, I'm not even sure why I'm eating at these places or why I'm even spending any money here, but we need to do better. And my ending balance as of today is $155.02. So that is my transaction log. I'm sorry for the whole losing my thought process, but this is what I've spent so far since the beginning of May. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you, and I'll see you guys next time.